Hello and welcome to Scrad Advanced. This video is a tutorial on how to use the Bitmap editor in Scratch. I plan on doing a vector video as well, but that's not guaranteed. Scratch has two ways to create art in the costume editor. You can either use the Bitmap mode or the vector mode. Bitmap stores the data for every single pixel on the screen, while vector stores points and uses calculations to draw everything. Bitmap is simpler than Vector, but it's lower quality. I'd recommend using Bitmap for beginners or if you're making pixel art. Now you'll notice that when you create a costume it will be in Vector mode, so if you want to use Bitmap you'll have to switch it with this button. There are 8 tools in the Bitmap editor, and they're all pretty easy to understand. There's the brush, line, circle, rectangle, text, fill, eraser, and selection tool. The brush tool allows you to freely draw on the screen. You can adjust the size of the brush up here. The line tool is similar but draws straight lines. You can also adjust the size. The circle and square tools are pretty much the same. If you hold down and drag your mouse you can draw one of the shapes. Holding shift will make it a perfect circle or square. You can also make the shape an outline and adjust the size of the outline. The text tool lets you type text onto the costume, and rather than adjusting the size, you can just change the font of the text. The fill bucket will fill in a closed area with the selected color. That's pretty much it. The eraser allows you to remove pixels, and you can adjust the eraser size, you guessed it, at the top here. Finally, the selection tools allow you to edit the existing art. You can select pixels and move them around, stretch them, copy and paste them, delete them, and flip them around. If you hold shift while moving something, it will stay in a straight line. And that's all the tools explained. Now you can make epic art for your projects. And I still suck at outros. I didn't even script an outro, I'm just winging this. Pretty fast.